Hola! And we are live. Come on in, guys. Let's bond for a bit. I shall share links on my page. I'm gonna show you a demo of our new product. I've been in love. That's a Mind Green song. I've been in love. Hello. Okay, so I'm home right now, as you can see. Welcome to my room. I've been here the whole day because naghahabol din ng submissions for school. So while everyone's watching, I want to talk about yung new product namin sa Tribute PH. And it's the gua shas from Korea. The brand is Aromang. That's what you call it. Aromang face and body gua shas. I put mine in this kit. Gagawin ko na din naman kasi siya. I do it like twice a week bago matulog. Especially, special cases kung may event or may special work the next day. I do it the night before. So, these products are finally available sa Tribute PH. I put the links up here. You should be able to see it. You have direct links on top para sa body diet kit and sa face diet kit. But you can explore Tribute PH and see our other products also. Because the sunscreen is also available. Let me show you guys. So these are the two kinds of oils. The slimming oil comes with the body gua sha. The calming oil naman comes with the face gua sha. So ito yung honest before I don't have makeup on. Dahil maglalagay tayo ng oil. Ito yung packaging. Poop. Cute, diba? When you buy it, meron din kayong gantong lalagyan. Ta-da-da! Are you ready to see it? And yan ang face gua sha. As you can see, it's a really unique shape. Before I was introduced to this product, yung Aromang gua shas, I was using this, the regular gua sha na triangle lang. Dito kasi, yun na yung shape ng jaw dito. And wala kang masyadong magagawa with this shape of a gua sha. It's regular, but this is very special because this shape, I actually met Mirten. I met the CEO of the brand in Korea. I posted about it on Instagram. I'll share it sa page ko na lang din so you guys can see it. Thank you so much, Jane Nena. So yun, na-meet ko sila sa Korea, tapos nag-demo siya mismo at ginawa niya sa akin. She's been doing this kind of job, nag-sculpting massages siya for mga K-drama actors, actresses, and K-pop idols. Kinilig na ako nung nakita ko yung wall kasi nandun yung mga crush ko. Tago na lang natin sa pangalan. Joke, hindi ko pa inaamin ever na medyo na crush ko din si Kai of EXO. Sinong mga EXO fans dyan? Mga stan. Yun, so si Kai and yung partner ni Chaon mo sa True Beauty. What's her name nga? Let me Google her name. Yun, Moon Ga-young. Yun. So, she goes there regularly, like once a week daw, sa clinic. And the CEO's thumbs are actually crafted dito sa gua sha. Shape to ng thumbs niya. Ito. Kasi yan mismo yung ginagamit niya pang massage. So, let's try using the face wash first. I'll show you how to do it. And I promise I'll keep this video sa live. I'll keep this live sa page so you can go back to it if you wanna do the gua sha with me once you get the product. Again, guys, sa mga kakapasok lang, the links are up there for you so you can buy the gua shas na. It's available on our website. Yan, so just pump a few, 3 to 4 pumps are fine with my whole face. And make sure, before nyo nilagay sa face, amoy muna. Kasi kasama yun sa experience. Kasama yung scent. Aroma. Relaxing talaga niya. It's safe for all skin types. Dahil herbal talaga yung ginamit nila to create the oil. They make the oil themselves and we ship it from Korea straight to your home. So yan, spread it all over your face hanggang sa neck. It's very important. Don't forget the neck. Yan. Okay. Mag-screenshot tayo ng before and after. Ito yung before. Tanggalin natin to. Picture tayo ng before. Dapat kita yung jaw. There. Now, iba-iba yung shape ng curves dito and you can all use it. Like, you can choose kung ano yung mas perfect sa shape ng face nyo. But me, since gusto ko ma-achieve yung Korean shape ng face, ito kasing edge na to daw. Ito yung size ng shape ng mga Korean actors. Hindi ko pa siya sakto. As you can see, hindi pa siya malalim. Kulang pa yung paggamit ko dahil 1 month ko pa lang siyang ginagamit. But, you start here. Actually, ganito lang yung way ng pag-akyat. But it's very important you use sa neck muna. I like using this edge for the neck or this one na nasa top. Magkakaiba siya ng angle. Yan. It's important to put, sinabi niya sa akin actually. Konti lang yung English ng CEO na Korean, pero ito na-explain niya in English na very important daw. Very important. Sa neck muna before mo gawin yung gua sha sa jawline and sa face because we're basically doing a lymphatic drainage lymphatic drainage massage on our faces and to drain the bloat out of the face kailangan bubaba siya dito sa neck. Yan. Hanggang dito. Yan. Use it here muna. 10 strokes would be fine na. Pero ako, I feel it out. Parang I keep on doing it until I'm satisfied na parang okay na yan. Yan. Hanggang dito sa baba. You can put it until here. Diretso na. But I'll show you the body gua sha later. Mas sakto yung mga edges nun for the collarbones naman and sa arms. I'll release a vlog soon from my sister's wedding. Bago kinasal kasi si Ate Denise. Ginwash ako siya. Sayang naman yung training ko sa Korea kung hindi ko gagamitin, diba? Ayan. So, once you're done with the neck, you can move on sa jawline. Now, 3 major parts lang sa face yung kailangan daanan. Jaw, cheeks, eyebrows, and then kasama na kasi sa area na to yung forehead. So, after this, ayan, few more. Pwede din dito sa gitna. Ayan. Ayan. You can hold it this way, 3 fingers in. Tapos kumakapit yung pinky dito sa side, a thumb here. Tapos up. Tapos may edge, magkaka-edge siya sa ears eh. So, didiretso na siyang baba dito sa neck. Like this. So, 1. Count 3 seconds every time you do it. 1, 2, 3. Like that. 1, 2, 3. Naririnig niyo ba yung train? Nasa New York kasi ako, kaya maingay yung train. Sa tabi po talaga ako ng train nakatira. 1, 2, 3. If you're asking or if you're interested to see the effect of the gua sha massages, it's instant. So right after using it, makikita nyo na agad yung effect. May effort lang talaga siya, but no pain, no gain. Yan. Makes this jawline more chiseled. Yan. Siyempre, bibigyan mo ng time yung self-love, guys. Kailangan natin yan. 10 strokes would be fine. Again, we count 3 seconds. Medyo minsan napapabilis ko. I'll do it sa other side. Or, let's just do one side muna para ma-compare natin. Now, after using this edge na pang jawline talaga, I like parang draining it para ma-sure using this edge naman. Yan. You're gonna feel bumps under the jaw. Yung maliliit na parang bilog-bilog, ma-feel nyo. Yun yung using the gua sha would help na tanggalin yun. Yan. Diba? Medyo nag-shape na siya. Sa'yo makita. Yan. Hindi kailangan sobrang diin ha. As in, you just the right amount of pressure lang. Kayo naman makaka-feel nun. Hindi siya dapat masakit. Yun yung magandang pag-gauge. Hindi dapat painful yung pag-push nyo. O, diba? Tignan nyo, mas lumalalim na to compared to this. Just a few strokes. Nauusi ako, may nafe-feel akong bumps dito. Yan. Huwag nyo naman pasaan yung mga mukha nyo pag bumili kayo. Huwag nyo diinan ng sobra. Will be in Shopee soon, but you can buy it straight from the website. The links are up here sa live. Ayan. The link for the face gua sha kit is up there, and it has already a 30 ml calming oil. Because calming oil yung match dun sa face. Slimming oil naman for the body. I'll show you how to use the body gua sha later. Yan. So, after naman ng jawline, I like using this edge pa rin for the cheeks. Dito sa loob nito, parang sumushoot yung cheekbone ko. Tapos dun mo siya i-shape. So, lumalalim dito yung cheeks. Kasi, di ba, bloated. Pag bagong gising tayo, tapos may event tayo, nabubloat tong area na to ng cheeks natin. Yan. 10 strokes ulit would be fine. Seven, 8, 9, and 10. Pwede ba din siya gamitin sa scalp actually? Masarap siyang gamitin pang massage ng scalp. Pag sumasakit ulo nyo, ganyan. So dito sa cheeks, so ganyan. Ito pala yung cheeks. Forehead yun. Napapansin nyo ba yung difference ng bloating? Mas maliit na tong cheek na to right now compared to this. Siyempre, kailangan ko pantayin yan mamaya. Etong maliit na curve na to, para naman siya sa eyebrows. So, dito, pag ganyan, pababa. Ayan. 10 would do lang ulit. Okay na yung 10 strokes. Yan. Daanan natin ulit. So, kung nag-iisip na kayo ng Christmas gift for your parents, for your mom, for your sisters, for your best friends, this would be perfect. We'll package it real nice for you. Pero diretso na siya as gift. Ayan. Pwede din to pang jawline. ay pang collarbone. Itong edge na to. Pero I like using the body gua sha better for the collarbones. Yan. So, this is the effect of the gua sha side compared to this. Yan. So, liit siya. Diba? Mas bloated tong area na to dito compared to this. Nagkaroon na siya ng line na pababa. I love it. Okay. Let's do the other side now. Some makeup artists na I've worked with, they use gua shas before putting makeup talaga. So it's a good routine. Pero syempre, pag wala ka ng time, it's better to do it at home. And maganda din na matuto ka. Just follow social media, Tribute PH social media accounts. Because we'll be posting guides on how to use this also. And 10 strokes again. Feel ko nandito yung medyo malakas eh. I mean, mabump. Yeah. I use my right hand kasi syempre I'm right-handed. So, mas comfy ako dun. For those who just came in, you can go in. The links are up here. Press the links lang, guys. Check out our website. You can buy it from there. Yeah. It's a special price, guys. We're selling it cheaper until December 17. Oh, by the way, we have our booth open sa Noel Bazaar. We opened yesterday and we'll be at the Okada Manila Noel Bazaar until the 17th. So you can buy this sa Okada. It's available there. And our sunscreen. Hindi ko na control pag left hand. Haha. Right hand lang tayo. For the brows. Eight. 9. 10. Nakaka-relax siya talaga sobra. It's good to have a partner also while you do this. Paggawa niyo sa kanya, tapos kayo gumawa dun sa partner niyo. Tanong ko lang tulit. Thank you for the stars, Riel. Okay. So there, this is the after effect. Diba? Mas maliit na yung jawline, yung cheeks, everything. Selfie ready na tayo. Okay. Let's do a screenshot of the after naman. I put oil na sa hair. Okay. After that, let me show you guys. Oh, again, this is the face washer set. Available on tributeph.com. Face guasha with the calming oil. You can get it together as a kit na. And buy it from tributeph.com. Yeah. Now, let me show you the body guasha. Same bag. You'll get it also if you buy it. Packaging is really nice. Good for gifts. Looks like a big letter B. Yeah. Let me wipe my face lang so I can remove the oil. Get wipes. I've been in love. The links are also, you can find it on our Instagram account, tributeph.com, and my Instagram, it's also there. I put it there on my stories right now, so you can go straight there to find the products. Okay, now for the arms. Using the body wash, I like using it sa arms talaga. As in, mas useful siya. Mas nakikita ko yung difference and yung change. Right now, ito, mabilis kasi mag-bloat din. So, let's use the slimming oil. If you wanna get the body wash, you'll get the 30 ml slimming oil na din with the set. So, the face wash is on sale. And the body wash also. It's on sale because of the 12/12. Yan. But we're extending it until December 17. So right now, you can buy it for 2,599 pesos for the face kit. And then for the body kit naman, you can buy it for 2,799. Iba yung scent ng slimming oil. But they're both good. Smells good. Check out the links, guys. Buy it na as Christmas gift. For yourself because you deserve it. Okay. Now this shape naman, as I said earlier, na the CEO from Korea, this one is shaped from her knuckles naman. Yan. Pang massage. I like using the longer edge of the letter B for the collarbone. Para lumalim siya. It's good to reach dito sa back part nyo. Pag ganyan. Mas masaya siyang gawin ng nakahubad, pero syempre di ko yung gagawin sa harap niyo. Is diretso pababa. Now, the outer part of your arms, you massage down. Baba siyang ganyan until dito sa wrists. Masaya siya gamitin dito din sa hands, especially kasi yung knuckles ano siya eh, para siyang nag-fit dun sa mga edges. It's very relaxing. So pababa to. 10 strokes would do also. Like starting from the neck going down to the arms. Again, it doesn't have to be painful. It shouldn't be painful. So just the right amount of pressure. It's made of ceramic. It's a ceramic wash. Kaya hindi naman siya super bigat. Pero may onting kabigatan din. Tapos, sa inner part ng arm, pataas naman tayo. Pag ganyan, pataas. Kasi syempre kailangan natin i-drain. I need more oil. Masarap siya gawin hanggang kili-kili actually. Ginagawa ko din yun sometimes. Yan, pababa. Pa-up pala, pa-up. 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 Ito pa down. This one's pa-up. I was so excited to share this product to everyone talaga. Kasi, gamit ko talaga siya eh. So, gusto ko din matry nyo. Natural bloatness natin. When you compare. So let's try to chisel our jawlines. Our collarbones naman here. Ayan. I can feel the bumps while doing the massage. Again, don't be scared. It's normal to feel the bumps. That's why we're doing this massage. Itong edge na to, pwede din siya pang ano. Ayan, pang collarbone kung natutulisan kayo dun sa isang side. Ooh, I can feel it. Ooh. Diba? If you compare, mas kita na dito yung collarbone. Sa kabila, hindi pa siya lumalabas. May redness lang, but it's gonna be gone for a while. In a while pala. Good effect, no? Effective siya, promise. Gawin ko yung kabila. Ginawa ko to for Ate Denise bago talaga siya maglakad sa aisle. Dami nito. Ang daming bumps dito. Stressed ako, ibig sabihin. Saan mabibili? You can buy it sa link po. The link is up here. The face guasha is $2,599 with the calming oil. The body guasha naman is $2,799 with the slimming oil. You can buy it from my website, tributeph.com. The links are up there. It's featured. You can click on it. Direct links on the products and also the website link. You can see it up there. Bili na po kayo. Because it's a really good gift for yourself. And for family members. For friends. It's a good investment, I promise you. Kasi ilang months yun na din naman ito gagamitin. So, ROI agad yan. Yan. Again, sa arms, sa outer, pababa. Hanggang sa wrists and sa fingers. You can massage it like this. It takes around an hour to finish face and body. I don't know, if you do your whole body, baka longer. But it's very effective and it's worth it naman after you do it. Because you'll see the results. Baka ma-addict pa kayo pag nakita niyo yung resulta. Medyo nakaka-addict siyang gawin. Yan. So sa inner ng arms paakyat. Happy birthday, Isha. It's also my birthday soon. Doesn't feel like it though. This year doesn't feel like it. Siguro dami kong iniisip kasi. Yan. Okay, we're happy. I'm happy with the arms. A few more sa neck. Masaya din sa batok to eh. Ito yung fun part sa mahabang edge. Kaya nyo abutin yung mga back side. Yan. This. Tapos sa kabila, use your other hand lang. This. Ganun lang siya gamitin, guys. Again, sa mga kakabalik lang po, the links are up there. It's featured. You can go straight to tributeph.com. You can buy this. It's available now. The face guasha comes with the calming oil. And the body guasha comes with the slimming oil. Get your Aromang Guashes right now. Available on tributeph.com. Any questions? I'm open to answering your questions. You don't need to record this because I'm gonna keep the live on my page. So you can go back to it once you get the gua shas and use it. I'll do this na lang again. Let's set the date also. We can do this again. Sabay tayo mag-gua sha. Alright. I hope you like this live session, guys. Again, this will be available on tributeph.com. The links are up there. You can click on it. The face diet kit and the body diet kit comes with a 30 ml oil of each. The calming oil and the slimming oil. You can also check out our other product, which is the sunscreen. They're all from Korea. All our products from Korea are from Korea. Yeah. I-wipes ko na lang tong oil off my body. And yay! I shall go to TikTok and let's transfer there. I'll do a live demo also. Pero natanggal ko na yung bloatness ko. Bukas na lang kaya ulit. Pag bloated na ako ulit. Thank you for watching, guys. Go back to this video when you need the guide. Get that chiseled face. Achieve. Achieve. Oh, energy. Si Dabaw ba yan? Ay, Kuya Ryan. Balik ka na ng gua sha. Face diet kit. Link is up there. Body diet kit. Link is up there. Everything, all of the products and all is available on tributeph.com. Alright? Thank you for watching. I'll end the live here. And I hope to see you guys soon. We shall do this again. Good night!